Alright, so today we've got something that I've been waiting for quite a while. It's a box. Yeah, that much is pretty obvious. A generic looking cardboard box that I'm not going to show you the bottom of because it's got my shipping address on it. And I'm going to open it with my fancy iFixit knife thingy. This is not sponsored. Please give me money. I will gladly shill to my channel telling people how great your iFixit tools are. What even? Okay. And then that cuts like butter. And here, oh, that is a tiny box. All right. Wow, that was a lot smaller than I thought. This is the new Chromecast with Google TV, and it's something I've been waiting for quite a while. I am a really active user of my Amazon Fire TV stick. I love the stupid thing. It works just so well with like YouTube and everything, and even though my internet's not the fastest ever, this Fire Stick did the job. But now I don't have the Fire Stick anymore because I gave it to my parents. So I decided, you know what? I have okay this, okay that. Please stop.
Last Saturday, Oklahoma played Texas.
And anyway, I use Google products all over the place, so I figured, why not put Google on my TV? I wanted something with the Android TV because I already have Chromecasts and they're just not great compared to a proper Android experience. So, and I wanted something with a remote, or at least remote support, so I could hook up my Logitech Harmony to it. This thing cuts so well. Be gone, plastic. Okay, so how unpleasantly or pleasantly does this unbox? This thing's a little rough around the edges. Okay, we got the thing, and then is that the remote? Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. You know what, let's save that for a second. Let's go through the books. So, let's get started. Google always likes to get started, but when do they ever stop? Interesting, it just says app button, so obviously it must change per region. Okay, we got the, whoa, how do you get this out? Oh, the whole thing, oh, that's smart. Oh, and here are the batteries. They're just brandless. Size, AAA. Oh my god. They literally are smooth, like Google textured plastic. You know, like the feeling on the back of like a Google Pixel phone or something? These batteries are flippin' textured. To feel like a Pixel or a... presumably the same feeling as this remote. That is so random. It's just the dumbest thing, but like, okay, sure. And this is a USB-C cable. This is actually a nice thing for me because I don't have many USB-C cables. My family and I are kind of late to the whole Type-C adoption thing, and I'm on iOS now, so I'm really late to that. And that is a nice, substantial cable. I'm gonna have to sub out my charger then for my Fire Stick because that one is a micro USB. Now, how do I get this out? Oh, you just pull that back. Okay, that was easy enough. Interestingly, I note that they go for the power supply is like unpluggable. I guess this makes sense because people will want to plug this directly into the USB port on their TVs to save space. That's also why it comes with these two little clippy bits, but all the other Google stuff, the cords are just wired in, and I mean the new Nest stuff, they're not even using USB anymore, they're just using a barrel jack. Okay, let's get to the device itself. So, there it is. Oh, it's all wrapped up too. Won't come out though. What the? Was I supposed to open? Oh, I was supposed to open it from the top. That makes more sense. Oh, what even am I touching here? It's just like foam. So yeah, as you can see, I ordered the white color. Okay, that is big. Okay, that is way bigger than I thought. I guess that makes sense because it's running full Android, but just for comparison, well, here's my Apple Watch S4. This is a 44mm, so it's the big Apple Watch. That is big. That hopefully means that there's going to be some good cooling in it, and that's going to be fast, because that would be good. Obviously, we got what looks like a reset button down here, so it's probably got a status LED. Obviously, USB-C power. No magnets. like on the Chromecast Gen 2 and 3 for the HDMI cable, which sucks. But interestingly, the HDMI is in a different direction this time around. I guess it's designed so it like the logo faces out and you just plug it into your TV. So I think most TVs have their plugs this way. I'm not sure. It doesn't matter because I have an input switcher. This plastic is so smooth. Like literally, the battery and the device feel really similar. Like this high quality plastic. Why do you need to put high quality plastic on a battery? Well, I guess I know where my money went into for this now. And then out comes the remote. So again, same idea. It's a cardboard thing. Now this is small. That is really small compared to the Fire Stick remote. Got your Google button. I do have to say though, it does feel higher quality than the Fire Stick remote. The Fire Stick's remote is bigger. Definitely, I'm gonna put my Apple Watch back on. It's bigger, and it's, and I feel like the arrow buttons or the navigation buttons are a little bit, this feels like a high quality piece of kit. And interestingly, they did a smartphone thing and put the volume buttons on the side. And it does have IR out, so just like the Fire Stick, you can use this to adjust the volume of your TV. Now, I have a Logitech Harmony hub that'll do that as well, but still pretty nifty. I can just pop this off. That was smooth. Interestingly, these batteries both go the same way, and there's some like contact points. I'm wondering if in the future they might release like rechargeable batteries or something. That's a thought. Anyway, I'm just gonna put these batteries in. And yeah, you can tell, I don't know what kind of strings Google pulled to get this stupidly clean battery. Oh, it's got a light. I guess that makes sense for the Google recognition. Okay. And here we are in the TV equipped zone of my house. So you can tell that the TV is on and ready to go by the blue light, which is my RGB strip, which is just powered. And I'm going to now plug in the Chromecast, so let us do it. And it's a Google logo. I guess I didn't know what else to expect. Is it awful like the Chromecast one? Oh, it's smooth! Unlike the Chromecast one. That is actually a really cool boot animation. I really have not been up to date with Google stuff because I'm on iOS now, so this is interesting. Okay, a remote and a circle. I have this camera over here to show the remote. Light just shut off. Interesting. Okay, found it. Nice. Welcome. Wow, okay. That is oh no. I need to go into my app now and do things. Well, I'm gonna blur that code because I don't know if that's permanent or not. Actually, that's so smart. Set up on TV instead, may take longer, requires typing with the remote. So this is designed so that you don't do that. That's actually really big brained. Chromecast, yes, that's mine. Badoop. Badoobles. I don't know why it doesn't just use a setup code like other Chromecasts, but maybe it's an Android thing? I mean, QR codes are fun. Who doesn't love a good QR code every now and then? This is actually something I was curious about, because these things always have horrible Wi-Fi, historically. And this is a 5 gigahertz network. Okay, we're up. That took a second, but we're here. Now it's got to update. That will take about 6 months. We're back. We're back. So, you can tell that it's been some time because the camera's in a different place. And here we are. So, now it's asking to set up the IR feature on the remote, which is interesting. I want to see how this works. It says if you want to use your phone, voice commands, or compatible displays, so like theoretically Google Assistant display. So theoretically this means, like unlike the Fire Stick where basically you had to use, I think you had to use voice recognition or the physical remote itself to actually do IR stuff. It seems like with this thing, you can just have this thing sitting down and just like use your phone, which is really cool. So let's see how that works. Set up remote. Okay, so I have, I guess we'll call it a soundbar. It's not really a soundbar, but it's not an AV receiver. I'll do soundbar. Okay, round on my soundbar. Samsung's at the top of the list. Of course. Okay. Point the Chromecast remote at your soundbar and turn the volume button up and down. No, it is not working. I also don't hear any sound. Oh, you know what? My volume is muted on my box. Hold Hold on a minute. Yeah. Interesting music. Yeah, I set the, I muted my box for when I was doing the, Splatfest. Okay, no, they don't work, because I was using headphones instead. Okay, another code. That one is working. Yes. Okay, set the power button, choose my TV brand. My TV brand is a Sharp, which is, yeah, not number 1. Okay, cool. Oh, hold on, why am I, oh yeah, of course it's a Sharp. Ooh, nice, fast scrolling. I see, Sharp, here we go. Okay. Press power button once. The TV, did the TV turn off? I don't think that, no. Trying another code, 2 of 10. I think that one did work, yep. Oh wow, so they got it on the second try for both of my things. That's actually pretty good, because my things are older, so, interesting. IR standards becoming a bit more public. Cool, okay, so that just works, yep. That did work. Yep. Okay, that was easy. Next. Oh, now it's got to install my apps. It's going to take even longer to do. Oh, actually, probably won't take even longer. It'll just take some time. Now, the problem I see here is that if I ask to change input, it's going to do it on the TV, and I have the adapter box thingy over there. Over there. So, that's going to be interesting. Just want to quickly... You can see the IR flashing. Beep beep, beep beep, beep beep, beep beep, beep beep. That's cool. Presumably this button is like an input? Is that flashing the AR? No, it's not. Berber, 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 berber. No, okay. I'm just gonna let my apps install them. Oh, okay, that was fast. I guess it would come with YouTube and Netflix bundled. Finishing touches. I wonder what the finishing touches are. So far this experience is very Google, which I guess is to be expected from a Google product. So, yeah, nice. I'm now gonna eat some lasagna because I'm freaking starving. Oh, I'm still gonna eat more lasagna. Cheese in my lasagna. Meat in my lasagna. Okay, let's do some exploring. Start. Okay. I'll be honest with you here. I was expecting this to be significantly different, but this is literally identical to the Fire OS interface. We got a search button, which does that. We've got a For You, which is... this is interesting. It's collecting a bunch of interesting stuff. So, I am logged into Netflix and obviously YouTube in my Google account, so it's probably pulling down my past watch history, and I don't really watch much stuff on Netflix, so it's mostly Star Trek and crap I watch. I do watch Netflix, but I don't watch as much on my account. I mostly just scroll through stuff on my account. And then some stuff from, I guess... Oh, that's not Disney Plus. I thought that would be Disney Plus. I don't know why there's no picture, probably just because my internet's bad.
You're going to be putting warm air over your GPUs.
I mean, it's the YouTube app. Android TV 10. Oh, of course it's got a thing. You can't drag the queue over it or anything. I'd have to hook up a mouse to this and try that. Android TV OS build 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7! Yay, I'm a developer! Okay, good, it is real Android. I mean, I knew it was real Android, but I just wanted to click the developer options. So yeah, you got your mute button, which is a big button. You've got your Netflix and YouTube buttons, which presumably launch Netflix and YouTube. You've got your D-pad. It's simple. It's really simple to use. Although not having a play pause button is, I think, a bit of a bummer. Although that's not going to matter for me because I'm going to be using the Logitech Harmony remote with this instead. Since Google Home integration, I've got that, the better smart speaker. So
The truth of the matter is, it's just about impossible to know exactly the right
yeah, it's kind of stupid though, because now if I want to play pause thing on YouTube, I got to double click.
moment to pull the trigger on
And then if I want to go back out, I've got to click.
a gaming PC. There's
it's kind of pointless.
always going to be
Pause.
something right around the corner that's cheaper or faster. But
Wait, what? It just played again.
Only live once, guys.
Thanks for watching. I'm sorry I kind of cut that short. There's definitely more I want to show off with this device, but unfortunately I didn't have the time. If you'd like to see more of a Nerds Uses Of type video with the new Chromecast where I stream games from my PC, play videos from and emulate games stored on my server, show off Logitech Harmony support, and potentially add some new smart touches to casting, make sure you give this video a like and leave a comment asking for more. While you're down there, be sure to subscribe and also check out the Discord server and my Instagram for future updates. Until next time, keep casting and keep climbing.